Hi there, I'm Wendy from So Wendyful, and I bring you snippets from my stitchery. If you're new to the channel, then a very big welcome, and if you're returning, then a very big welcome back. Well, it's the middle of December 2025, and I'm just taking a little bit of time out to think about some of the amazing things that happened to me this year. One of my biggest highlights was in July and August. I travelled from New Zealand to the UK and went to London, and of course, being in London, you have to go to Liberty in Regent Street. So Liberty at that stage was celebrating their 150th anniversary. And the way they celebrated this was they went out globally and asked sewers and quilters and sewists and creative people to submit a 6-inch block, which they used to create a 3-storied house within their atrium in the store. So if you like what you see, please like, please subscribe. It does help this video get pushed out to other people who are interested in quilting. And do leave me a comment, especially if you see one of your blocks in this creation. Or if you like a particular block. I've got a couple in mind that are my favourites that you might see popping up. So grab a cuppa, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this.